Agile Handover and Automation Solutions automate the handover of information from a design-build environment to any infrastructure lifecycle management systems. There are many vendors who provide operations solutions, and we add value by enabling these solutions to quickly move into production. The difficulties of the handover process are many, but they primarily stem from two different groups of people with very different goals. When the infrastructure project is handed over to the operations team, management struggles to understand what they have, how is it organized, and where is the information needed to load into their systems. When populating their systems, they have to sort through all of this information, which is very time-consuming and is often done slowly over time on an as-needed basis. The primary reason is that there's just little to no budget set aside for the development of asset data strategies, and the cost of implementing such solutions is often staggering, which is where Agile Handover and Automation Solutions comes into play. We've created an efficient solution that automates the population of operational systems up to 6 times as fast as the traditional method, finally making it affordable to transfer information from infrastructure files to lifecycle operational systems. In addition to the time saved, automating the process increases the accuracy, value, and trust of your systems. And also, there's no need for owners or engineers to redefine their existing workflows, as we focus on what you have, customizing the solution based on your existing workflow and the existing type of information that you already have. By focusing on what you have, we harvest not only information-rich sources, but also the hard-to-get-to information buried in facility documentation. We then automate the relationship-building process between all these different types of data and transform that information for use in operational systems like our integrated handover repository, which I will show you next. Here you will see in our hand-in documents a list of all the files related to the infrastructure that has been captured throughout the lifecycle. Everything from planning, design, constructioning, commissioning, or any other type of file is listed. Now we will go ahead and process all these files, harvesting the information from each source and organizing the data based on the assets we discovered with our processors. Our handover assets are organized based on the needs of the owner system, including the location information we were able to discover from the source files, which enables us to browse into a room and see the assets that are related to it. Once we zoom in to a particular asset, we can see all the source documents that contained information about that particular asset. As well, we can see the detailed information that was extracted from the various source files. We can also see the pre-configured vendor-specific owner requirements and which source properties we have matched to the owner specifications. Next, we will take a look at our reports, which can be used to analyze the information that comes from the handover and see what data is missing. In this case, we have 24 assets that are missing required fields needed for operations. We will take a look at one of these assets and see what is missing. You will notice that the warranty information for this particular asset was not found by our powerful harvesters. The last step is to distribute the information in the infrastructure lifecycle management system of your choice. This is pre-configured based on the requirements of the system and can be created automatically with our specification loading tool. From here, the data can be shared directly with an RSS feed, Excel file, or reformatted to fit into the COBie format. If you would like to cut the time and the cost of moving your infrastructure system into production, please contact us for more information on how we can help you solve these problems.